So hi guys, welcome back to the Chris Angler channel. Today we are fishing at Fenit pier. Lovely day, high tide now. I already got the rods in. I'm going to be trying for a ray because my friend I came a bit late, you know. I came back today, literally today from Wales, and I'm already out fishing. My friend got a couple of ray today and there's been a couple I caught on the pier. I'm hoping for my first ray. Still to come, loads of time. I thought that I had that casted out, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and a couple of herring have been caught as well. Yeah.
Jesus Christ! Don't let it on the ground, don't let it on the ground.
Boys.
Look, we take it to Tango City. Oh, wow.
So lads, gar. Some fish. Cardamom, strip of mackerel.
That's a waiting word. That's my best friend.
What? Oh, they got a mackerel over there. Ah. Yeah. Okay, you have more than them. Yeah.
That's more than a little bit
2
further.
mackerel.
Yeah?
5 minutes.
Like you check that one. Hook it. Slowly hook it, like. And reel it. You don't look over it. Is it fighting?
Oh, is there something on it?
No. Dad, can you cast it back out?
Yeah.
That's it. Let's say I got 7 mackerel.
No, 8.
Okay. 8. Yeah, 8. Oh.
So lads, I got my first ray. Today was the day. It's an undulate, isn't it, Kenneth?
It's a very small one.
Well, it's a ray. It's an old Raymond. Is he unhooked?
No. I can't unhook him. I have to wait.
Alright. We'll unhook him and jet. Oh yeah. Let him get the drop. Let him get the fucking drop. Yes. So lads, Another little ray. What is this?
Sharky.
An undulate.
An undulate and a dogfish. Yeah,
Jeez.
there we go. Woo! 2 rays now.
He's small, the little one. Here, I'll do that.
See you, man.
Shit.
He's even hard to hold. But the...
He's right there.
Okay. Calm down.
Ah,
Try not to
got
get
him.
distracted.
So,
Got him.
dogfish.
I told you to get the trap net.
I'll drop him next to my rod.
Okay.
Mickey, you just throw the dogfish out.
I'll drop him next.
Alright.
Catch me in.
Look at him. Look at the little. Look at him. Tiny.
You can just let go.
So, lads, my second undulate or my second ray ever. That fish made a bit of a plank. When I try to put him back, I'll actually let him catch his breath. It's a slow process trying to release them, since they're such beautiful and rare fish. Especially the small ones, so they can grow up to... How big do they grow, Kerry? 15 pounds. Adult. Try to drop him. There. Just to let him go already. Come on. You can see him flapping around in there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Drop net's still under him.
Let's go last.
Always takes very long, lads. You see how? He is. No. Yes. She's gonna catch his breath and he's gonna go back. My second ever undulate and a dogfish. One of the best double shots I've got. They're only small, but they're still undulates. Yeah. So alright lads, that was our trip, my trip here at Fenit Pier. I was fishing with my little brother and Kerry. What a day, ton of different fish. First of all, we started catching mackerel. There was a ton of small little whiting absolutely going at our bait, but you could not hook them. We got a couple in the end. I tried out my new LRF rod. It was a great day overall, very warm day, and then after the mackerel we started getting, once it got darker, we started getting horse mackerel or scad, and then after that I got a conger, then I got a dogfish, literally the next cast, and then I got my first ray ever. It was an undulate ray. Great. Well, didn't fight much, it was a small one, but I put in a load of time to catch the fish. Some people have been fishing fish for ages and still don't have it because it's just, people don't really know how to explain it, it's just hard to catch them. But I heard once you catch one, it's easier to catch more. So I got one undulate just by itself on a 3 o'clock on mackerel. Least thing I was expected. I was trying for dogfish or something on the smaller side, anything really, trying for anything. And then after that, I got a double shot of an undulate and a dogfish. What a day! Finally got my first ray. Very happy about that. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and catch you later.